Get away, Scott.
Yeah,
You're in the way.
Alright, this is the Coke and Mentos part 2. I did this at the gas station before.
Back.
Alright, I got 4 Mentos, Diet Coke. Let's see how this goes.
Get away from your brother.
I got a little bit more Mentos left, so I might as well just use them up.
What does it do? I don't understand.
It explodes.
It explodes your mouth. You see
Oh,
what it
is
did?
it?
No. I ain't
Yeah,
that
your booger's
stupid.
coming out your nose.
Ew. That's nasty.
Not even coming.
Alright, here we go. I got 3 more Mentos.
Back. Back, boy, back. Paul, come here. Wait for Paul. Come here. You gotta look at this.